onslaught on our identity, on our economy, on our jobs, on our land, everything, because it has not stopped. Unfortunately, जो brute majority मिली है बीजेपी को, they have weaponized everything. They have weaponized their brute majority to bulldoze the constitution of this country and then unconstitutionally scrap 370, saying that they want to integrate the J&K with rest of the country. Integration तो मुझे मालूम नहीं कितनी हुई है, पर तबाही बहुत ज़्यादा हुई है. जितने भी इदारे हैं, जितने भी इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, they have been weaponized with media. I'm so sorry to say that. Even they have weaponized the media to crush any voice of dissent. They have weaponized. Unfortunately, they are trying to weaponize, subjugate judiciary also. I am not using the exact words because for the contempt of court, because contempt of court इस तरह बहुत जल्दी लग जाता है. On the other side, you can free to say anything. जो हमारे आजकल जो मिनिस्टर साहब किरण रिजिजू जो बोलते रहते हैं दिन रात जुडिशरी के बारे में, but nobody is taking notes of that. So इस वक्त जम्मू कश्मीर के 370 हटने के बाद all the laws that have been brought into the J&K have been weaponized to the extent that Kashmiri looks like, अगर आप आज कश्मीर जाएंगे तो आपको वो अफगानिस्तान जैसा लगेगा, because the bulldozer is there. अभी 370 के साथ ख़त्म करने के साथ they outsourced our हमारी आइडेंटिटी ख़त्म की, हमारे जॉब्स आउटसोर्स किए, our land was outsourced, our minerals were outsourced, our resources were outsourced. When I say outsourced, they were given to the outsiders. They are still being given to the outsiders. तो ऐसे में अब बचा क्या था हमारे पास?